Everyone, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to pay your Lazypay bill. You see, pay your Lazypay bill is a straightforward process. The first thing you need to do is receive your bill or your statement, then access your Lazypay account. Log into your Lazypay account with the official Lazypay mobile app. Find the Pay Now or Pay Bill option within the app, and then select your preferred payment mode. We have the debit card, net banking, and UPI. Complete the payment by choosing your desired payment mode and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the transaction. This will involve entering necessary payment details and authorizing the payment. Once the payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation within the app and likely via SMS or email. As simple as that. It's important for you to consider some things. You see, Pay typically has specific billing cycles and due dates, commonly detailed on 18th of each month. Ensure you pay your bill by the due date to avoid late payment charges. You can often set up an auto-pay feature through the Lazypay app to automatically deduct the due amount from your linked bank account on the due date. This helps avoid missing payments. Always use the official Lazypay app or website for making payments.